Never call yourself a car expert if you can't answer this basic car info. What American car company produces the Mustang? Ford. Which pickup truck has been the best-selling vehicle in the U.S. for decades? Ford F-Series. Done with the basics. Let's turn the heat up. What is the name of Chevrolet's iconic sports car, first introduced in 1953? Corvette. What is the name of the electric car company founded by Elon Musk? Tesla. Which American car brand is known for its luxury SUVs and trucks? Cadillac. What is the name of Dodge's high-performance muscle car? Challenger.